Oh, the sealer came in today, so we got the first coat on there and drying. See how that goes. Seems like it's already making it nice and smooth, so we'll see how it penetrates. And we got a switch in for it today, and we got the tuners I'm going to put on there. Everybody raves about these GoTos, so I figured I'll go with that set there. Actually, they're not GoTos, they're Geikers. But at least these ones look like they got a little bit of class to them, and that wheel is not so big, it's so gaudy. These are the minis, so they'll fit in there and won't look so bad. So that's what we're going to roll with. And then I got the Geiker Tune-O-Matic for it, so that's also here. So we should be able to start hitting this pretty hard now once this get a couple coats of the sealer on here, get that all sanded down, find a primer that goes with it, and get to getting. Alright, here we are. We got 2 coats of sealer on there. Got it sanded all down. Everything feels nice. Got this down to, I think, 600 grit. I got the neck down to 1,000. And was doing the back with a 600, and you can feel right in there, there's a low spot. I'm not sure if we'll be able to pick it up with a camera, but you can see it just a little bit. And if I can feel it, it's going to show in that black paint like crazy. So we're going to do one more fill right in this general area here. It looks like there's a cup right there. So we're going to fill this area in here, feather it back in, put a last coat of sealer on it, and I think we're ready for paint. But this is beautiful. This turned out way better than I thought it would. So carve looks good, feels nice and smooth. Even the grain, once I get the dust off it, the grain of that mahogany is gone. So progress. I was hoping to have it in primer tonight, but guess not. I know these are all starting to look the same because it does look the same, but it's not the same. It's got several coats of sealer on now. I'm about to do the finish sanding with 1,000, so I can hit it with some primer. Yeah, it looks. We get that little dip on. So we're gonna see what it looks like with primer on this morning. Why it's nice and cool. Alright, time to move on. Okay, we've got the first coat of primer on and sanded. I had to put a second coat on the front of the headstock because even with all the grain filling, there were still some little pits and stuff that were showing through. But this is where we're at right now currently. We go down the front of the body. To show all that. And then the pride and joy of this whole thing is right here with that neck joint and that repair. I don't think I could have asked for anything better as how that came out. So we got a few touch-up spots here of paint around the edges where I went and made it thicker. So those are going to get wet sanded today, but for now, this is where it sits. And the plan for the day is to get the 2 tuners in and set the hardtail up and get the alignment for the actual bridge to go in, get that all set for intonation and all that, get the holes drilled, and then confirm our heights and get ready for paint once I get the holes drilled. But more on that as we go. Alright, we're getting somewhere. Re-drilled the holes for the bridge. Looks straight. Looks straight. Look at the nut where it belongs. Can't ask for better than that on a repair. And then, if we look at the action, there's our heights. Yeah, I think this BC is going to be a shredder. Look at that. And there's still some backbone in the neck because there's no pressure on it, but still, this should look sweet.